I'm Heather Valentine from the Sewing Loft, and I love to share easy tips and tricks to help improve your everyday sewing. And today I've got a great one. I'm working on the Jazz 2 from Baby Lock, and like others, I don't always have time to work on those big hitter projects, but I still want to find time to be creative. So today I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of free motion thread painting, also called quilting. Now on this machine you're going to need to do a few things, and we're going to walk through them step by step. The first thing that you're going to need to do is actually change your foot to this free motion quilting foot. It's a little bit different on this machine, and I think that it takes a little bit of finessing. You're going to slide it onto the back just like you would any normal presser foot. However, I think that it's easier to put the actual foot on when you lower your needle slightly. You'll notice that it gives your foot a nice, easy, and relaxed way for you to get the foot completely right up against the bar, and just slide it down until you can see that it's actually in the right position. Okay? And then once you have it in position, just use the little screwdriver that came with it and tighten it in place. Now you can either use the one that looks like the Mickey Mouse ears or the larger one that came with it. Now that we have our foot on, it's time to actually remove our bed, and you'll notice that there is actually a button down here, and it allows you to drop the feed dogs down. Now the feed dogs are the little mechanism underneath your fabric that actually pulls it through underneath your needle, but in thread painting you're going to want to be moving your fabric directly. So you're going to take that button and just clip it until you hear it click, and then put your bed right back on. Okay, I want to put my needle back in the upright position, and then I am ready to go. I've already got my thread installed. We're going to leave it on the standard straight stitch, and before I actually get going, I like to test and make sure that my tension is all correct. Sometimes you may need to adjust it depending on the fabric that you have. I suggest that you do it in small increments, and make sure that as you test it with each increment that you change it with your presser foot in the up position. This will allow the plates on the inside to actually adjust the tension. So once you have it all set, you can go to your project. I actually have 3 pieces of scrap that I've put together, and I've just cut them out into little feathers, and I don't know, I'm just gonna play and use it as a doodle drawing that maybe I turn into a pocket on a tote bag or something else later on. So, and then it's just time to sit to have fun. So I'm just going to finish filling in my design, but you can see how easy and fun it actually is to create with your thread. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and come visit me at thesewingloft.com for even more. Until next time, happy stitching!